when you're first getting started, you could overwhelm yourself with pre-roll. You know, it's like if you're, I don't know if you you play in the rap game, right? If you freestyle, like that's a perpetual loop I see most people get caught in. Just that pre-start. I'm gonna. So I think the best way to break the barriers, number one, forget about production quality. Your first year of video making is gonna blow. Eat that. Like, just know that. And that might be a little bit of some of the thing that some people think is charming. That starts to build the affinity. That then starts to provide you with the feedback over what do people really want to see. YouTube has some great analytics as far as like when people are dropping off. You can use those to then make sure that you're doing the things that keep people engaged. You're not going to know going in. I'm a big fan of state. Right? State is how things that exist right now in the second. We are evolutionary beings. You will not be the same person when you leave here today that you were when you showed up yesterday, right? We are constantly evolving. So going into it going, I need to make a thing that has, because you said lackluster, and I'm like, awesome. Just keep doing it. The luster comes from the polish, right? And so continuing that over time. So just forget about production quality. As long as the audio is decent and you can hear and the video isn't blurry, then people are going to consume it. That's really what it comes down to, distilling via a documentation process as opposed to pre-production, planning, and then creation. You're not going to make a music video on your first shoot. Wait a year, give yourself time before you do that.